This video, we're going to show you how to clean the inside of your microwave using just lemon and water. So what you're going to need to clean your microwave with this method is a microwave safe bowl, some water, some lemon, and I don't have enough lemon, so I'm going to pour some lemon juice in here. You're going to get half a cup of water and pour it directly into your microwave safe bowl. Then we're going to squeeze our lemons into the bowl. And you're going to leave the lemon in the bowl as well. And because we don't have a whole lot of lemon, we're going to pour a little bit of lemon juice in there. So now we are going to microwave this lemon juice water for 3 minutes or until it starts to boil. The acidity of the lemon and the lemon juice is going to help to break down all the stuck on grease and food particles in the microwave. So now the 3 minutes is up and I'm going to let the bowl sit in the microwave for another 5 minutes so that the steam from the boiling lemon water can also help soak in. So we've waited the 5 minutes and now we're going to take the bowl out. Be careful, it might be really hot. Now he's gonna start scrubbing. Look how easy that comes off.
That's
wow,
crazy.
Comes right off.
Oh my gosh, look how, that's never been that easy. That's crazy.
Ew.
It just wipes right off.
So if you have any areas that are a little tougher and that aren't coming right off, just dip your rag or whatever you're using directly into the lemon juice water and add it to that spot to give it a little extra. So he's just gonna wipe this out for a couple more minutes and then we'll show the finished result. So as you can see, this worked very well. The microwave is now extremely clean and it was so easy. Hope this was helpful for you and you're able to clean your microwave the same way. Thanks for watching.